Okay, so we go for number 6. They say proof for that pi is not equal to n pi, where n is an integer. Maksudnya this data is meaning this data got value lah, got something angles there. Okay, it's not 0, and then we not substitute value inside here. We want to prove this relationship. Sine over, I think I got a missing bracket here. So sine theta over cos times this can be simplified to get tangent theta plus sine second power 4 theta. Okay, so when we want to prove, we think which side we're going to start. So whether you're going to start this side or this side. So I can see we take the difficult one. Take the operation that have many operations. So this one, we'll start with left hand side, and then we do until our answer getting this part. Okay, then we start compare. We get some hints. What should we do? So we can start compare. You can see angle they are same. So they might not involve any angle formula. It might not involve the compound angle, factor formula, the double angle, half angle. So this kind of formula is involving angle. But we can see our equation here, our data at the beginning of the question is data, at the end of the question also data. So we are safe. We are not playing with the angle formula, but only the trigo here. So we got trigo that are different and the power. So it might involve our identity because we got square. It might only. So we just have a look and have a guess here. Trigo operation got square, so it might identity. It might have identity here. And then from the answer here, we can guess tangent. Tangent. And second means 1 over cos power 4. Tangent means sine over cos. So our answer, if we can get to this format, means we are near to this final answer already. So obviously we can see our question here. By looking at here, we know sine and cos, we take it out, we already achieve tangent. Just we want to simplify at the down here, we get a cos power of 4, then we can achieve our second power of 4. Okay, so we start doing our questions. Write down our questions clearly. Sine theta So we are not simply want to simplify where then we go and do. No, we have to analyze it first. Then you can see it clearly. What should we do? What should we maintain? What should we change? So we can see sine over cos, right? You want to achieve this answer, right? Sine over cos. So definitely we take out this sine over cos. So leaving the part here is this. Leaving the part here is this. And our answer, you can see trigo leaving is cos only. So it means this sine we don't want. We don't want to maintain the sine terms anymore. Okay, we try to change it to cos term. So that will be our objective. Try to changing this part into the cos term. So this sine theta over cos theta we already achieved. We write it as tangent. One part of the answer already achieved. So how we going to simplify that part? So actually you can see this is a quadratic. If you can see this is a quadratic, let me show you in algebraic, because when you put it in trigo it will very difficult to see. I show you in algebraic when 1 minus 2 sine square theta plus sine 4 theta, I let m equals to sine square, so it will be 1 minus 2m. Here will be plus m power 2. Okay, I let this quadratic m. So when you power 4 means m will power of 2 lah, because sine square power 2. So this is our quadratic. How to factorize this quadratic? it will be 1 times 1, then m, then minus. Okay, so it will be equals to 1 minus m squared. So we factorize it 1 minus m, so our m is sine squared theta squared. So this is how we see our quadratic easily by using algebraic. So if you can see it directly like this, also can. Okay, so when we factorize this quadratic 1 minus sine square, so 1 minus sine square can we simplify to others? So it might involve our identity. Identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So 1 minus, when I move sine square theta to the right hand side, it will be 1 minus sine square. So definitely at the down here we can simplify in terms of cos square theta. So cos square and square, finally we reach to our answer already. Cos square and square will get 1 over cos power 4. So cos power 1 over cos power 4, this is equals to second power 4, because 1 over cos is second. So we managed to prove it. So proven. So therefore, we see what is important here. The important part is here. Do you know how to factorize your quadratic trigonometry? Then applying identity formula and get to the answer of this.